Write better emails in seconds with ChatGPT Writer. So I will be showing you this ChatGPT Writer, a free Chrome extension that helps you write better emails instantly using ChatGPT. So step one, you need to install extension, go to the Chrome Web Store, search for ChatGPT Writer, click Add to Chrome, and pin it for easy access in your browser or toolbar. So tap extension right here, add extension, go to the extensions icon, and then pin ChatGPT Writer. So you should see it right here. And then you can create an account. It's for free, don't worry. You can continue with your Google. Once you have your account, and then you can now use this. You can now compose a new email or open message you want to reply to. You can use the extension, click the ChatGPT Writer icon in the toolbar, and it opens a side window or pop-up with options below right here. So this is how this ChatGPT Writer works. You can also select the type of model you want, and then you can also select the tone right here. So basically, you have your options below. And then here on the next button, you can see here the length. So for example, I will be using straightforward tone, and I'm going to use the length, for example, let's just say medium. And then after that, you can now add a prompt below. So for example, I want to ask ChatGPT to write a polite follow-up email asking about my job application sent 2 weeks ago. And here's the result, and all you have to do is to simply edit this. You can copy this, paste it on your Word, and then edit. So that's it. You can now change also the length if you want, and also the tone or the modal. Everything is up to you. But basically, this is how to write better emails in seconds with ChatGPT Writer. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.